I chased that fox up in a tree. He came right up when he saw me.
Doggone it, Paul. That must be fun. Why don't you show us how it's done?
Well, first of all, to make him shy, try fancy parking way up high.
You shouldn't give him such ideas. They ain't big enough to hunt for fleas.
So, you like to chase foxes, do ya?
No.
Hello, Puck, we're glad you're back. What's that you're hiding in the sack?
Just close your eyes. Now take a peek.
Well, shut my mouth. What is that freak?
A hunting dog who thinks it's fun to scare and make us foxes run.
Is that so? Hello.